Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products in the same category to help you make informed purchasing decisions. In today's video, we'll be comparing two GPS camera drones, the Bwine F7 GPS camera drone and the TENSSENX Foldable GPS Drone. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top. The Bwine F7 GPS camera drone comes with a one-click detachable 4K video camera. It features a 120 degrees FOV lens, a larger comms sensor, and a 3-axis gimbal and 5x digital zoom for stable and convenient shooting in various situations. The Bwine F7 offers a total flight time of 75 minutes per trip with its three 2,600 mAh intelligent batteries. The Bwine F7 is built to withstand high altitudes and strong winds with its 1806 brushless motor, compass, gyroscope barometer, and a 6-level wind resistance test report. The Bwine F7 is equipped with GPS technology, ensuring automatic return functions and the ability to follow you, fly along a preset path, or circle around a specific point. The Bwine F7 offers advanced app settings that allow you to share your FPV view on social media platforms and retouch your photos and videos with filters and background music. When you purchase the Bwine F7, you'll receive the drone itself, three 11.1 volts 2,600 mAh batteries, a carrying shell case, a transmitter, USB cables, an Allen wrench, propeller blades and screws. Plus, Bwine offers a 2-year warranty and a 30-day money-back guarantee. The TENSSENX Foldable GPS Drone features a 4K Ultra HD camera and a flight time of 90 minutes with its powerful brushless motors and 3 batteries. This drone is designed with multiple user-friendly functions such as automatic takeoff, headless mode, altitude hold, and optical flow positioning. The TENSSENX Foldable GPS Drone is equipped with a powerful GPS module and optical flow positioning, ensuring safe and reliable flights with extraordinary anti-interference capabilities. With features like Follow Me, Tap Fly, and Point of Interest, the TENSSENX Foldable GPS Drone offers intelligent flight modes that provide a hands-free experience. The TENSSENX Foldable GPS Drone comes with emergency stop, smart return to home, GPS module, and one-key return functions, minimizing the chances of losing your drone. The intuitive and advanced foldable design of the TENSSENX Foldable GPS Drone, along with its carrying case, makes it the perfect travel companion. Based on online reviews, the Bwine F7 GPS camera drone is praised for its versatile camera, long-lasting flight time, stable altitude and wind resistance, smart GPS features, interactive app settings, and comprehensive package. On the other hand, the TENSSENX Foldable GPS Drone is commended for its high-quality camera, extended flight time, user-friendly features, secure GPS module, smart flight modes, reliable anti-loss functions, and portable design. Which one do you prefer? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video on Buy Smart.